In a lush, verdant forest, nestled among the roots of an ancient oak tree, there lived two very different groups of creatures, the amazing ants and the tenacious termites. The amazing ants were known for their incredible strength and speed, capable of carrying heavy loads many times their size. They were admired by all for their determination and resourcefulness. On the other hand, the termites were known for their remarkable ability to adapt to their environment. They could transform their homes, burrowing deep into the earth to escape the harsh weather, and they could eat through almost any material, from wood to stone. One day, a catastrophic storm swept through the forest, toppling trees and flooding the land. The amazing ants, with their incredible speed, managed to gather food and store it away in their mounds. However, their homes, built above the ground, were no match for the ferocious winds and the heavy rain. Meanwhile, the tenacious termites, with their incredible adaptability, had built their homes deep underground, sheltered from the storm. They had enough food stored away, thanks to their foresight, and they weathered the storm without a single casualty. When the storm passed, the amazing ants emerged from their flooded homes, their food stores ruined. The tenacious termites, on the other hand, were unharmed and well-fed. The amazing ants, humbled by their experience, approached the tenacious termites, seeking advice. The termites, always wise, shared their knowledge of building homes underground, teaching the ants the importance of adaptability in the face of adversity. From that day forward, the amazing ants, while still incredibly strong and resourceful, also became more adaptable, building homes underground and learning from the tenacious termites. And the tenacious termites, while still small and seemingly weak, became respected and admired by all the creatures in the forest. The moral of the story is clear: strength and resourcefulness are important, but adaptability is the key to surviving and thriving in the face of adversity.